Namaste, welcome again. I am here with the next lesson of class 7 mathematics, and the lesson or topic is quadrilateral. Okay, so in previous classes you learned about quadrilateral, I think. So here we are going to learn about types of quadrilateral. Okay, you know what is quadrilateral first of all. Okay, the closed figure with 4 sides is called quadrilateral, isn't it? A quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles, isn't it? Okay, so here are some types of quadrilateral. First is parallelogram, rectangle, square and rhombus. There are 4 types of quadrilateral here. First is parallelogram, and the figure of parallelogram is here. Next is rectangle. I'll draw the figure of rectangle later. And next is square and rhombus. I think in previous classes you learn about rectangle and square, I think. Okay, here we learn all 4 this type of quadrilaterals. Okay, so first of all we start from parallelogram. Okay, look at the figure. This is a figure of parallelogram. Okay, so I want to give the name A, B, C, D. Okay, this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay, palm A, B, C, D पनि भनिन्छ short form मा palm PAM. Okay, PARM पनि भनिन्छ है. A, B, C, D, parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay, palm A, B, C, D. So we are going to learn about some properties of this parallelogram. Okay, so first property of parallelogram is the opposite side of parallelogram are equal. Okay, opposite side means AD and BC, they are opposite sides, and AB and DC or CD, they are also opposite sides. Okay, so we are going to measure the length of opposite sides here first of all. So I am going to measure the length of AD first of all. AD, this is of 45 centimeter. AD is 45 centimeter. AD is equal to 45 cm. Okay, and BC is also 45 centimeter. BC is equal to 45 centimeter. Okay, you can draw a parallelogram in your copy. Okay, and you can measure and observe the properties of parallelogram. Okay, so next side is AB is 30 centimeter. AB is equal to 30 centimeter. And CD is also 30 centimeter. CD is equal to 30 centimeter. So it proves that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Okay, and the next property of parallelogram is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Okay, now we are going to measure the angles of this parallelogram. So here are 4 angles: angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Okay, so first of all, angle A. What is the measurement of angle A? Okay, use your protractor to measure the angles. So angle A is, let me measure. Angle A is 110 degree. 110 degree. Okay, likewise angle B. Angle B is, let me measure. Angle B is 70 degree. 70 degree. And angle C is 110 degree. Angle C is equal to 110 degree. 110 degree. Okay, and angle D is equal to angle D. This is, I think this is 70 degree. Yeah, this is 70 degree, right? So here angle A is 110 degree, and opposite angle of angle A is angle C. opposite angle of angle A is angle C. So angle A and angle C, look at the measurement. Angle A and angle C, they are equal, and opposite angle of angle B is angle D. Opposite angle of angle B is angle D. So the value of angle B is 70 degree and angle D is also 70 degrees. So it proves that the opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Okay, first opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, and next opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Okay, and the next property of parallelogram is its diagonals bisect each other. Its diagonals bisect each other. So we can draw two diagonals here, isn't it? So let me draw the diagonals. Diagonals, you know diagonal? Okay, the line which join the opposite vertex is called diagonal. So A and C, they are opposite vertex or opposite angles. So let me join them, A and C. Okay, and B and D are also opposite angles, so opposite vertex. So let me join them. Okay, so this point, I want to give the name for this point O. Okay, O is this point now. So next property of parallelogram is diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect गर्छ भनेको आधा आधा बनाउँछ, एउटा डायगोनलले अर्को डायगोनललाई हाफ बनाउँछ भनेको एक्ज्याक्टली. So let me measure AO and OC, likewise BO and OD. Okay, so first of all, AC diagonal bisect the diagonal BD. AC ले BD लाई bisect गरेको छ, isn't it? AC bisect or cross, we will measure either it is bisect or not. Okay, so we are going to measure the value or length of AO and OC. AC diagonal is crossed by BD diagonal. So we are going to measure AO and OC, either they are equal or not. Okay, bisect गरेको छ कि छैन भनेर हामी मेजर गर्छौं है. BD भन्ने डायगोनलले AC भन्ने डायगोनललाई एक्ज्याक्टली जुन बाइसेक्ट गरेको छ कि छैन, एक्ज्याक्टली टु हाफमा डिवाइड गरेको छ कि छैन भनेर हामी मेजर गर्छौं. सो लेट मी find out the value of AO and OC first, then BO and DO. Okay, so AO, let me measure AO and AO equal to and CO equal to AO and CO. Okay, so AO is 22 centimeter. AO is equal to 22 centimeter, and CO is also 22 centimeter. CO is also 22 centimeter, and definitely AC is 44 centimeter. Definitely, isn't it? 22 plus 22 is 44. So first of all, हामीसँग diagonal AC छ. Diagonal is AC, and the measurement of AC is equal to how much? 44 centimeter, and AO is 22 centimeter. Likewise, CO is also 22 centimeter. Yeah. So from this experiment, we just find out that AC is bisect into AO and OC. Okay, AO र OC मा exactly 2 half मा divide भएको छ. यो divide केले गर्यो भने diagonal BD bisect the diagonal AC. Okay, so bisect गरेको रहेछ. And next now we are going to measure BD BO and DO. Okay, so measurement of BO, first of all, BO equal to, then DO equal to, and BD also. Okay, BD also. So BO, let me measure BO. This is 31 centimeter. BO is 31 centimeter. Okay, and DO, let me measure DO. DO is also almost 31 centimeter. DO is also 31 centimeter. So we can find out what is the measurement of BD. BD is 31 plus 31, I think, definitely. Okay, so 31 plus 31 is 62. So this is 55. Oh, my skill can't measure at single time, I think. 55 plus 6 or 7. This is 5 and okay. So from this experiment, we just find out that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. First of all, AB and CD, they are equal. AB and CD, they are equal. AD and BC, they are also equal. And next is opposite angles. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Angle A and angle C are equal. Angle A and angle C, they are equal. And angle B and angle D. Angle B and angle D are equal. Angle B and angle D are equal. Okay, these are two properties of parallelogram. And next property is diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, so AC bisect BD and BD bisect AC. Okay, from these two experiments we just conclude that. And the next property of parallelogram is opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel. Okay, so here opposite sides are AD and BC, so they are parallel to each other. Likewise, other two sides are AB and CD, so they are also parallel to each other. You know the meaning of parallel. These two lines never meet with each other, and the distance between these two lines are always same. So let me measure distance from A to a point at B, BC line. Okay, so A to BC, this is A to BC, this is 25 centimeter. A to line, this point BC. Okay, let me measure whether this is perpendicular or not. Okay, this is perpendicular. And next C2, point C2, any point at AD which is perpendicular to C. Okay, this is perpendicular, this is perpendicular line, and this is perpendicular line. This is ABCDE and this is EF. So okay, AE is perpendicular to BC and CF is perpendicular to AD. Let me measure the length of AE. This is 26 centimeter. AE is equal to 26 centimeter, and CF is also right here. CF is also 26 centimeter. CF is also 26 centimeter. So the distance between these two lines is always equal here. So these two lines are parallel. Likewise, you can calculate the distance between BA and CD also. They are also parallel. Okay, so next is rectangle, and you can see our figure here. This is a rectangle. So the name of rectangle is rectangle PQRS. This is rectangle PQRS, and we are going to learn about some properties of rectangle. Okay, so first of all, opposite sides of rectangle, opposite sides of rectangle मानौ, opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Okay, opposite sides of rectangle are equal and they are parallel also, right? They are parallel. Okay, and PQ and SR, these are the opposite sides of this rectangle. Likewise PS and QR, they are also opposite sides of this rectangle. So now we are going to measure the length of this rectangle, either they are equal or not. Okay, so first of all we are going to measure PS and QR. PS and QR. Likewise we are going to measure PQ and SR. PQ and SR. Okay, PQ and SR. So let me measure using scale. You can draw a rectangle in your copy and you can measure to find out the property. Okay, so PS is, you can see here, 40 centimeter. PS is 40 centimeter and QR is also 40 centimeter. QR is 40 centimeter. Okay, and PQ is 30 centimeter. PQ is 30 centimeter and SR is also 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. Okay, so look at here, PS and QR, they are opposite sides. So PS and QR, they are opposite side and they are now equal. So likewise 30 PQ and SR, their measurement is 30 centimeter. PQ is 30 centimeter, likewise SR is also 30 centimeter. So it proves that the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Okay, so it proves first property. And next is all the angles. How many angles are here? There are 4 angles, P, Q, R and S. Okay, angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S. So all these angles are of 90 degree, or all the angles of rectangle are right angle. So let him measure all the angles, whether they are of 90 degree measurement or not. Okay, so angle P, angle Q, angle P, angle Q, angle R and angle S. Okay, so let me measure angle P. Angle P, this is 90 degree. Angle Q is also 90 degree. Angle R is 90 degree, and angle S is also definitely almost 90 degrees. So all these angles are right angles. Okay, so angle P equal to 90 degree, Q equal to 90 degree, R equal to 90 degree and S equal to 90 degree. So all these angles are right angle or 90 degree. And the next property of rectangle is the diagonals of rectangle are equal. So let me draw diagonals here. PR and QS. We know about the diagonals. Okay, so these are the diagonals, and this point is O. So PR and QS, these are the diagonals, and measure of PR is about, okay, exactly how much? 50 degree. PR is 50 degree and QS is also 50 degree. So both the diagonals are equal. Means PR equal to 50 degree and 50 centimeter and QS is equal to 50 centimeters. So both the diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. So let me measure PO. PO is 25 and OR or RO is also 25. QO is 25 and SO is also 25. So PO and RO, QO, SO all are of 25 centimeter. PO equal to RO equal to QO equal to QO equal to and SO equal to all are of 25 centimeters. So it proves that the diagonals of rectangle are equal and they bisect each other. Okay, thank you so much.